back to my channel, and it's me, Mel, again, and I'm very grateful that you are here watching my video again. And for those who are new here, thank you very much for stopping by, and please join me in unboxing my December 2019 the Box by Fashionsta. So what is the box? This is a $19.95, I think, and this is a monthly subscription, and you receive, I think, 5 full-size products. So, but I think, if I'm not mistaken, that starting January 2020, they are raising up the price for this to $25 if you are a new subscriber. But if you already have the box, you will still be paying the $19.95, if I'm not mistaken. So what are we waiting for? Oops. Let's open the box. Okay. So when you open this, that's what it says. And it says, warning, the contents of this box may cause extreme excitement. You have scored $80 to $150 worth of products, and you will enjoy products you will enjoy and love. I want to personally welcome you to the Box by Fashionsta Glam Fam, a consciously curated collection of classic brands and the unveiling of new and emerging brands boxed and delivered to your door each month. From Shadi Ghanim, the Fashionsta CEO. So that's how it looks like. And there's a card here, and it says, box with a purpose. With every box purchase, you're helping 1736 Family Crescent Center by assisting those in need in the form of monthly makeup, beauty, and self-care goodies with the intention to enhance self-confidence and self-image. 1736 Family Crescent Center is a nonprofit organization based in Los Angeles with a mission to help people through crisis, including domestic violence and human trafficking. We're happy to announce this partnership and support a cause you love, as well as offering amazing products you love to use. To learn more about 1736 Family Crisis Center, please visit www.1736familycrisiscenter.org. I hope you can see that. Okay, so that's good to know. And there's a, what is this? A 20% off code if you go to their website and purchase something. Okay, and the back tells you what's in the box. I'm gonna be honest, and I saw some unboxing, and I am I am not impressed. Some were happy, but for me, I am not really that happy when I saw the unboxing. And I am telling you that I already canceled my subscription, so this is my last box. So that's how it is. That's a tissue paper, which is really nice. And I love the box. And that's those stuff they put to protect the products. And the first one that I'm gonna pull out is, so this is the Rosy Cheeks Facial Scrub from Naturally Vain, and this one retails for $12. And this exfoliating facial cleanser with rose petals gently exfoliates and eliminates dead skin cells. The rose hip seed oil and ilang ilang essential oils are known for their anti-aging properties. This beautiful creamy texture leaves skin soft and clear and more radiant than ever. How to use: apply a small amount to the face and gently wash. Remove with water and dry. That's how it looks like. I don't know if you can see it, but that's how it is. Let's open this. Oh, it smells so good. But I have an issue though. There's no safety seal. Like when you open it, it was really like that. There you go. And that's the cover. But it really smells good. Oh my god. I'm definitely gonna be using this. I love this. Okay, the next one here is, this is what? Okay, this is the CBD Pain Reliever Bath Bomb. Okay. And this one is worth $12. $12 for this tiny thing. Really? This tiny? I'm not gonna pay, honestly, I'm not gonna pay $12 for this. So no. But this one, I'm gonna be using. So the next one here is, this is from Timmy. Okay. And this is the Soothe Facial Oil. And this one is worth $40. Okay. And that's how it looks like. There's like, what is inside this? Soothe Facial Oil is infused with lavender, sage, and blue tansy oil to provide deep calming sensation to the skin. Oils are a pure form of moisturizer that seamlessly absorbs into the deeper layers of your skin, leaving it soft, nourished, and glowing. Perfect for all skin types, but I have an oily skin. Actually, there's a, what do you call that? The Sandy Riley, that oil thing, facial oil, is really not good for me. I am not like, my skin, what do you call it, is not compatible with it. So I'm not sure about this, if I'm gonna be using this. And let's try to smell. Oh my god. This is basically like, it has the same scent with that Sandy Riley oil. Yeah, almost the same scent. So this one I'm not really sure if I'm gonna be using. And this is worth $40. So this one already covered the cost of the box. Plus more. Actually, these two products, $24 for these two, already covered the cost of the box. So that's good. So I am seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there's 6 items in the box. And I already pulled 3. So there should be 3 more here. So the next one that I'm seeing here is, I know I have already saw some unboxing, but it's different when you see it in person. Okay. The next one here is, this is the Crescent Moon Eyeshadow Quad. And this one retails for $45. Crescent Moon Palette, rich duo cream shades, heavily pigmented diamond and shimmer shadows. Shades included are Calypso, New Moon, Zenith, and Ophelia. Oh, you mean, I forgot already, but it says here 4 shades. Oh, when you open it, it's like that. So basically the same. Oh, so it's really a 4-color eyeshadow for $45? No way. It's cruelty free. And this one is, really? Made in PRC and $45? No way. To be honest, no way. Okay. Oh my god. This is so beautiful though. There's a mirror, by the way. Here are the shades. And they are really pretty. Oh my god. Wow. Should I swatch this? Okay. This I'm gonna swatch. So this is the Calypso. New Moon, Zenith, and this is oh my god, Ophelia. Okay. Oh my gosh. And you know that it's so soft. Oh my gosh. These are very beautiful shades. Okay, I'm gonna do New Moon again. New Moon is kind of dark though. But Zenith and what's her name? Ophelia, I'm definitely gonna be using. I'm not sure about Calypso and New Moon, but these two, oh my god. This is Zenith and Ophelia. So these are the two shades that I can really use. This is nice. I don't know. Yeah, it's $45. Even though these are pretty, I'm still not paying $45 for 4 shades. Like, what is that brand that high end is $55, so $10 more and you get a full palette. And the packaging is really nice that I was thinking of getting, but that one is worth spending $55. This is not worth $45, although the shades are pretty, but I'm not spending $45 for 4 shades of palette. Okay, moving on. So I'm gonna put this aside. I already swatched that. I'm definitely using that. I'm seeing another one, and this is a palette again. So this is from Glow Getter. Cara Beauty Cara Beauty Glow Getter Highlighter Palette. And this one retails for $15. Should we open this? This is how it looks like at the back. And this one is also made in PRC. Okay, let's open this because they're both from PRC. And the other one is $30 more than this one. Okay. I'm so sorry. I'm so negative because I saw the unboxing, but it's different. Again, it's different when you see it in person. So, same. This is nice. It's paper, but it's nice. Oh, there's 6 in here. Okay. So, there's a small mirror, but really nice mirror. And these are the beautiful shades. Now, this one I'm not going to swatch, because I don't know if I'm gonna be using this. Okay, so I really smelled it, but all I can smell is the paper. So this is it. This one I like. So $15 is not bad for this palette, right? Compared to the $45 that other palette. But again, the box is $19.95, so it's okay. And let's put this back in the bubble wrap. I really like the way he boxed the stuff though, because it's protected. Even this palette has her own bubble wrap. Okay, now the last but not the least here is, this is from, oh sorry, there's like some stuff here from this. So this is from 1520, and this is the Soothing, what is this? Soothing Selfie Prep Sheet Mask, and this one retails for $7. Ooh. So it has tea tree oil, lavender, peppermint, rosemary, chamomile flower water to bring tired and stressed skin back to life. How to use: cleanse and dry face, Smooth the mask over face. Sit back and relax for 15 to 20 minutes. Gently remove the mask. Massage the remaining serum into your skin, and ta-da! Selfie ready! So, $7. And this is made in Korea. Okay, so let's total what we got. So 40 plus 15 plus 45 for the crazy palette, plus 12 and 7. So everything in the box is worth $100 and $131 for everything in the box. I don't know. I like the color of the eyeshadow. I like the palette, the highlighter palette, and this mask. And this one I'm definitely gonna be using. But the most expensive one, oh, this is not the most expensive because this is 40, right? So the most expensive is the foreshadow palette. But this one, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be using. But I have some Timmy that I already used. The clay mask that I got before, I'm using that one. And there's another Timmy product. Oh, the Vitzy serum, I haven't used that one though. But the clay mask I already used that. And this one is gonna go to my friend. This one I'm not using again. So there's like 4 items out of 6 that I'm definitely gonna be using. And again, I already canceled the box. Please let me know if I made the right decision of canceling it, because actually I am not kind of really happy with the box. The box is supposed to be going to be better than BoxyCharm, but sad to say they're not really. BoxyCharm is still the best box for me. So yeah, that's my opinion. Please let me know. Please leave a comment below what you think. Again, did I make the right decision? And I'm sorry if I didn't like the box. We have different preferences in our what we like, right? We have different preferences in the boxes that we subscribe. So that is my opinion. I am not happy about it. I am not really like satisfied that much every month. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up. And if you haven't done it yet, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell as well, so you will know if I have a new video up. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye-bye.